Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to Financeable YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can change your password on Wise app, so make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you already have downloaded the Wise app and already logged in, and now right after that, once you open it, you'll be able to see the interface or dashboard of the Wise apps on the screen, where you can see your profile picture at the top left corner of this dashboard. So simply tap on that profile picture, and now you can see the settings option at the bottom of this personal details. So once you tap on that settings option, you will be redirected to the settings section, where you can see the privacy and security option at the top. So once you tap on it, you can see the change password at the third. So you simply need to select that one, and now you can change your password from here successfully. So what you need to do is you simply need to enter your current password over here, and you need to enter your new password in this section. And now once you complete your credentials, simply tap on the change password, and you will be able to change your password in Wise successfully. So basically this is how you can change your password in Wise app. And if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.